Yo, they say birds of the same feather fly together. So in other words, bitches nigga, white with bitches nigga. So let's see about it, man. So Speed made it to the DR, and there was a young Haitian. He was trying to show Speed the flag. He be like, "Hey, welcome to Haiti." It was a Haitian restaurant, but you know, Speed is with this guy Alofoke. Alofoke is a tyrant, a hater, always promoting about killing Haitian and shit like that. I don't know, for some reason nobody never get to him and do something to him. You know what I'm saying? So Speed be like, "Oh, what? Why you wearing my dick? Like, niggas not dick riding your homie. You was just trying to show the flag. You a bitches nigga, man. You wanna go with those people that say me no black, me Dominican. However, this motherfuckers get no history. Cause to understand, bro, how you gonna get history if you're not black? What history do you have? Who you fought? You a bunch of bitches and murderers. That's what you are, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, Speed, you choose your side. You with Alafoki right now. I hope people in Haiti don't welcome you no more. Fuck you, nigga. You a bitch ass nigga. Fuck you again. Do whatever the fuck you want. You ain't nobody, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You just a nigga. And you are free just because of us. You're a son of a bitch.